you're right there. Hi! Hey guys, it's Nick, and I'm back for another video. Woo! And so today I'm going to be reacting to sound effects. But also, so you might be like wondering, like, Nick, don't we already know what sound effects are? Yes, we do. But this is my own twist on it. I'm not reacting to them. I'm acting to them. I might be overreacting. But it's going to be fun, interesting. Now let's get started with this video. Shut up, dogs! Who's home? Who's home? What do you want, dog? I put you in. Why'd you growl at me? This might be the boring part of the video. I'm trying to work here.
Hello?
Yes, I would like a Big McDouble, but no cheese. Oh, you guys are still there? I was ordering pizza. Did you guys want anything?
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
No. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, whatever you want to put it on. Thank you for watching, and check back for later on in videos. See you guys.